The number one complaint I hear from people trying to put their own brand together is that they're having trouble with consistency. They just can't get everything to match, nothing looks good together, they don't like their logo, or they have multiple versions of it and they don't know which one to choose from, or they just don't know what colors to use and what looks good together, and they get templates here and there and none of them match. And that is exactly the problem that the Creators Template Collective is here to solve for you. The days of paying a graphic designer to design your branding materials and waiting 2 or 3 weeks for them to send it back to you, only to find that you still hate it, are gone. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour inside the Template Creators Collective portal, just so you can see what's in there, how to use it, how to navigate it, and how easy it really is to create your own graphics using Canva and our templates. And we're just going to go ahead and jump right into that. And man, I'm probably pretty awkward, but this is real life, so I'm leaving this in. Let's go. Alright, so this is what you'll see when you first log in to your account for the Creators Template Collective, and it'll show you all the different categories easily broken down for all the different templates that you can find. And of course, we're going to be adding a lot more to this, so more categories will probably appear in the future. But you'll always be able to go right here to kind of get started, and it's really visually easy to find what you're looking for. So I'll click here on Instagram templates just to give you an example. And then you'll get all of the Instagram templates. And if you want to narrow that down even further to make it even easier for yourself, you can go to the filter area up here, and you'll be able to narrow down what type of Instagram template. For example, say you're looking for a story template today, you can just click right there and it'll bring up all the various story templates. So once you've found a template that you like, that you'd like to use for today, you could either use the whole template or maybe just a slide from it. Or if you just want more detail, you can go ahead and click on the template and you'll be able to see more pictures of exactly what's in here so that you can take a closer look at it and see if it's what you want to use today. And you'll be able to read about it, read a description of it and what you'll download with the template. And then you'll be able to go ahead and download the template. And it'll come in as a zip folder because we do want to include the images that are in the template, which are all free for commercial use from Unsplash, but make sure you check the requirements yourself before you download your own copy. But you will be able to see them all when you're in the portal, and we do link you to them. There's also basic Canva editing instructions just in case you're not quite sure what you're doing. And of course, the template itself. So you'll get this file, and you can also download this to your phone as well. It does work on your phone if you like to use the Canva app instead. And then you'll go ahead and open up that file. And inside, again, you'll see you have free resources, which is just branding articles and other resources we offer on our main website, image library link, your Canva files link, and your editing guide. So you can go ahead and open the files link, and in there you'll get a link to your template, and you can just go ahead and click on that, and it will open right up in Canva so that you can go ahead and use the template. And this will also open up on your phone if you have it set up that way with your app. You can go ahead and use the template. It's as easy as that. Then you'll be able to download it for use however you'd like. So in addition to access to over 100 template sets and probably thousands of slides within those sets that you can combine and mix and match, you'll also get access to the other areas on our website. And I'll just back myself up a little bit and say that many of our templates, most of them belong to a set, like this one in particular, the blush and black set. You'll find post templates, email templates, banner templates, things that match with it so that you can kind of pick one that you like and stick with that, and you'll be able to find the colors and see the colors, and you'll get the photo collection so you can stick within the branding for that, which will save you even more time. But definitely feel free to take templates from every single set and use them. So they do have, different ideas or kind of create with everything that you're given. I encourage you to do that. And it'll just make it a lot easier to have, the fonts and try to stick with that as you go. So some of the other areas in the portal, we have our tutorials area. We're going to be expanding on these as we build more products that might need more support. But this will help show you how to use Canva, how to use the email template and hook up MailChimp and Canva to work together, email signature, and anything that you would like to see or you're stuck on. We always want to hear from you because it's really, this is for you and it's what you need the most help with, and we want to create that for you. So always feel free to reach out if you want to see something else. So of course we have a help portal for all members where you can come in and you can request technical help, like maybe you're struggling to understand something, or you're struggling with Canva in general, you can't find something, maybe the template is not working for you, you can't open it, or you have a general help question. Within 24 hours, we will get back to you and help you on any tech issues you're having with the products or Canva, or just any struggles at all. So the next thing that's a great feature here is the request a template page. And this is a form that you can fill out to let us know what you need most and what you would like to see, because this is really for you, like this membership's for you. And who better to tell us what to make next than the people who are going to be using it. So if you find yourself, you're using a set for your brand maybe, and you're like, I wish I had, a cookbook template in this color, in this set that goes with this, can you make this? Then that's something that you would ask for right here. And there's a very high chance that we will go ahead and make that for you and the entire community to share. So moving on to our next section, we've got the brand evaluation. And as a member, you'll be entitled to one brand evaluation quarterly. So in the brand evaluation portal, it's basically a consultation with a professional designer, myself, or another professional designer that I trust. And you'll be able to ask questions for basic design guidance. Now, please note, we do not design for you, but we will point you in the right direction. You can ask us for guidance, ask questions about tech issues, kind of like the help portal. And we'll also give you personalized recommendations for your visual branding. So maybe you're struggling with getting sales, or you're struggling knowing if your brand is even resonating with anyone, or maybe you just want that outside perspective of someone who's had the experience of working with hundreds of different brands and just been in that world, and it is something that you're really struggling with. So we wanted to provide that one-on-one experience to a degree, to just kind of help people with that and not have them feeling so lost. So you go ahead and fill out this form. It just asks about your struggles, what you've tried so far. You'll be able to upload logos and any other files, branding board, your website you can link us to. You can link us to Canva templates. And then let us know what your goals are. Let us know what you're looking to get out of the evaluation. And what does success look like to you to move on past this issue? And then we'll be able to go ahead and help you with that and give you our best input on what you can do next to get unstuck. And then next quarter you can follow up again and we'll see how you're doing and we'll kind of work together from there. So there you have it. That's where we're at right now in the Creators Template Collective. We definitely will be adding a lot more content, features, and templates as time goes on and things change. If you have any questions at all, I'll leave my contact information so that you can send me an email. And since you're watching this video today, I also want to let you in on a little secret. It's a code for 30% off your first membership, no matter what plan you choose or where you get it. And that code is MEMBER30. So you can enter that anywhere that you can purchase this membership. There's multiple platforms where this is. You'll know where you're from. And it'll work anywhere to give you 30% off any plan. So that's it for our tour, and I'm really hyped to see you in the membership. Hope you guys enjoy. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour inside the Template Creators Collective